Now we are solving question number 9 for the integration of A2 levels for B3. The question is, use the substitution u is equal to tangent of x to show that for n is not equal to minus 1, the integration from 0 to pi by 4 tangent n plus 2x plus tangent of nx d of x is equal to 1 over n plus 1. So this is the question where u is equal to tangent of x. If u is equal to tangent of x, then du is equal to secant square of x d of x there. Then d of x is equal to du upon secant square x there. But we know that 1 plus tangent square of x is equal to secant square of x. So this will become du over 1 plus tangent square of x. But tangent of x that is given as a substitution as equal to u. So this will be du over 1 plus u square is equal to d of x. So we know this formula from this calculation that again we put the limits also. If x is equal to 0, then u is equal to tangent of 0 and that is equal to 0. If x is equal to pi by 4, then u is equal to tangent of pi by 4 and that thing is equal to 1. So the above integration will become 0 to 1 u power n plus 2 plus u power n into du divided by 1 plus u square. That we have substituted all values of tangent of x equal to u there. Now this will become 0 to 1 u power n into u power 2 plus u power n into du divided by 1 plus u square. This thing will become 0 to 1. If un is common, then it should be equal to u square plus 1 divided by u square plus 1 into du. Here u square plus 1 and u square plus 1 is cancelled out. So this will be 0 to 1 u power n d. This will be equal to u power n plus 1 over n plus 1 from 0 to 1. This will become 1 power n plus 1 over n plus 1 minus 0 power n plus 1 over n plus 1. This will be equal to 1 over n plus 1 minus 0. So that is equal to 1 over n plus 1, where n they are given it, and it should not be equal to minus 1 for this part there. So this is the integration of this with the substitution u is equal to tangent of x there. Then the next part is there. Hence, find the exact value of 0 to pi by 4 tangent of 4x plus, sorry, minus secant square of x d of x square. This secant square. Now we will substitute it according to that. Since it is written as 0 to pi by 4, secant power 4 of x is basically equal to secant square of x whole square minus secant square of x into d of x. This thing will be equal to 0 to pi by 4. Secant square of x is basically equal to 1 plus tangent square of x whole square. And this secant square of x is basically equal to 1 plus tangent square of x into d of x. That thing is equal to 0 to pi by 4. This will become 1 plus tangent of 4x plus 2 tangent square of x minus 1 minus tangent square of x into d of x squared. This will be equal to 0 to pi by 4. 1 plus this 1 and minus 1 cancel out. It is tangent of 4x. This 2 tangent square of x minus tangent square of x will become minus tangent square of x d of x there. We have seen it here in the previous part. It is tangent of n plus 2 of x plus tangent of n power x is basically this, which is u is equal to what? Tangent of x there. And the limits of u are going to be changed from 0 to pi by 4 as 0 to 1. So this value will become 0 to 1. Tangent power 4x is u power 4 minus u square, and dx itself equal to du over 1 over plus u square. So it should be equal to du over 1 plus u square. Plus, so it is u square. Now, u square is taken to be common from this. It is u square plus 1 over u square plus 1 du, and this is going to be cancelled. It should be 0 to 1 u square du, which will be equal to u3 over 3 from 0 to 1, and that will be equal to 1 over 3. Now we put back the substitution, u is equal to tangent of x, so it will become tangent cube of x minus 1 over 3 tangent of 0. So that thing is equal to 1 over 3 tangent cube of x. So this is the answer for this question for the second substitution in that part there. Now in the second part, again the limits are 0 to pi by 4, tangent of 9x d of x. Second part, 0 to pi by 4 tangent of 9x plus 5 tangent 7x plus 5 tangent 5x plus tangent cube of x into d of. Since u is equal to tangent of x, and the limits are this, when it is 0, then you have taken it equal to 1, 0, and when it is pi by 4, it is equal to 1. So the limits will change first, it will become 0 to 1. This tangent of 9x will become u power 9. This is 5u7 plus 5u5 plus u cube into d of x. But d of x is just equal to what? Du upon 1 upon u square. Du over 1 upon u square. So this we have changed to this form here. Now we will take the common from this part one by one and we will solve it. Now this will become 0 to 1. It is u power 9 plus 5u7. So 4u7 plus 4u5 plus 1u7 is left here, 1u cube is left here, so u power 5 plus u cube into u whole divided by 1 plus u square. So then 0 to 1, u power 9 plus u power 7 plus 4 is common, u power 7 plus u power 5 plus u power 5 plus u power 3 du whole divided by 1 plus u square. If we take u power 7 from this part, it will be u square plus 1 plus 4 u power 5 is common. It is u square plus 1 plus u power 3 is common and it should be equal to u square plus 1 du whole divided by u square plus 1. Then it will be 0 to 1, u square plus 1, u square plus 1, u square plus 1. So that is common. So inside it will be left here u power 7 plus 4u power 5 plus u cube divided by u square plus 1. This and this there is cancelled out. So 0 to 1 u power 7 plus 4u5 plus u cube into d. This will become u power 8 over 8 plus 4u power 6 over 6 plus u power 4 over 4, and the limit is 0 to 1. This thing will be equivalent to, if you put 1 in it, it is 1 over 8 plus 4 over 6 into 1 plus 1 over 4 minus 0. So that thing is equal to 1 over 8 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. If 24 is LCM, 8 3s are 24, 3 8s are 16, 4 6 is 19 plus 6, 25 over 24, and 1 over 24. So it is a complete solution of this question there.